boys and girls. I'm Miss Ryan, your safari leader. And here we have our wolf River and our tiger Katya joining us today on our jungle safari. So when we go through the jungle, it's going to be very important to blend in and try to make your body match the different animals. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So whenever you're ready, go ahead and let's stand up and let's start our jungle walk. All right. Let's start to march. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Okay, stop. Shh. Do you guys see that? Over there in the distance? Oh my goodness. It's a great big elephant. Let's see your elephant trunk. Swing side to side. Blend in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. We made it through the elephants, guys. Let's keep walking. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Okay, guys, everybody stop. Do you guys see that big bridge ahead? Okay, we're going to have to make our bodies into bridges to help us cross. Everybody sit down. All right, lift your belly up off the ground. Lift it up high for 3, 2, 1. Okay, good job, you guys. We crossed the bridge. Everybody back up. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Okay, everybody stop. Do you guys see that in the distance?
Yeah.
It's a great big bear. Okay, blend in. Let me see your bear crawl. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys, we made it through the forest of bears. Good work. Back up. And we're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Okay, stop. You guys be really quiet so we don't scare them. Look at all those cute little frogs up in the distance. Quick, turn into a frog and let's hop through. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Okay, good work, guys. Go back to your mats and let's keep going. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Okay, stop. Look up there in the trees. Do you guys see those monkeys swinging from side to side?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Grab your branches, swing side to side. Woo! Woo! Good job, little monkeys. Keep going. Pick some bananas. All right, and come back. Let's keep walking. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Oh, my goodness. That looks like a big pack of wolves. Get down, turn into a wolf cub. All right. Up and down with your legs, walking. Oh my goodness, it is a pack of wolf cubs. All right, you guys, we made it safely through. Go ahead and stand back up. Let's keep going. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that's one of my favorites. It's pink. Do you see it?
Yeah.
The flamingos. All right, you guys, turn your body into a flamingo. Get one leg up. Good work. Switch legs. You guys are great flamingos. Up, up, up. All right, excellent. Let's keep going. I'm going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Do you see those? They look like tigers in the distance. All right, big tigers, go. Oh my goodness. All you tigers blend in so well. Look back at your tiger tail. Big long striped tail. All right, and let's keep going on our walk. Stand up. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Oh, you guys, I'm getting so hot. Good thing, do you see the beach up in the distance? Ooh, and look at all those little crabs. Okay, come on down. Make your body into a crab. Walk up and down. Can you show me your pinchers? Can you lift one foot up? Oh, good work, crabs. And the other one? All right, excellent. Everybody stand back up. Let's keep going. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Oh, you guys, look at that. In the distance, a whole herd of jungle cows and wild cats. Go down, go down. We're gonna do cat-cow. So look up in the air, and that's the cow. Moo. And look down at your belly button, that's the cat. Meow. A few more times. Moo. And meow. Last one. Moo. And meow. All right, none of the panthers got us, none of those jungle cows. Go ahead and stand back up. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Okay, you guys, do you see that big, giant tree in the way? It's a great big forest. We're gonna have to blend in. Make your body look like a tree. Ready? Standing up, balancing. Good work, one leg up. Take a nice calm breath. Switch, other leg up. Nice and sturdy in the forest. Good job, guys. You can reach your arms if you feel comfortable here. All right, we're almost to the beach. Go ahead and come down, and let's keep going. We're going on a jungle walk. We're going on a jungle walk. Let's go. Oh my gosh, you guys, we made it to the beach. Go ahead and jump on your surfboards. Get your arms out wide, and let's ride the wave. Oh, good surfing. Okay, jump and switch, other foot in front. Keep surfing, ride the wave. Oh my gosh, you guys, okay. We made it. Step off your surfboard. Good work. And I think we've made it all the way through the jungle. Oh, do you guys see the starfish now out there in the distance? All right, everybody lay down. Let's relax. Make your body into a big starfish. Lay back. Take a big breath. Try to think about all the animals that you saw on your jungle cruise. All right, give yourself a big hug, knees to chest, rock out side to side. Massage your back after that long jungle walk. And then we'll rock up and down, guys, and then come all the way up to seated. Back to crisscross. Thank you guys for going on the jungle walk with me. I hope you enjoyed your tour. And as we end our yoga classes, go ahead and bring hands to heart. And it means thank you in our yoga practice. Namaste. Good work, guys. Until next time, yogis, stay well. Goodbye.